Hello, everyone. Today, I'm answering a question I get all the time about electric cars. Can an EV tire go flat? And if it does, is changing it any different from a regular car? Let's break it down together. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe to my SmartDrive Tips channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. And hey, drop a comment anytime. It really helps me improve. Thanks! Can electric car tires go flat? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Yes, EV tires can go flat, just like gas-powered cars. That's because the tires themselves are basically the same. The difference is that EVs are heavier, so manufacturers usually use tires that are stronger and rated for higher load capacity. If you're driving an electric car, go ahead and give this video a like. Is it different from regular cars? The actual tire changing steps are pretty much the same. But here's where you need to be careful. EVs have high-voltage batteries under the floor. That means you need to use the correct jack points listed in the owner's manual. If you lift from the wrong spot, you could damage the battery, and that mistake could be very expensive. Step by step. Changing a tire on an EV1. Safety. First, park in a safe spot, set the parking brake. Turn on hazard lights and place warning triangles or reflectors. 2. Find the jacking points. Check your manual for the exact lifting spots. Stay away from the battery area. Placing the jack there could cause damage. 3. Remove the flat. Loosen the lug nuts. Jack the car up carefully. Take off the tire. 4. Install the spare mount the spare tire and hand tighten the lug nuts. Lower the car slowly. Tighten the nuts fully in a crisscross pattern. Extra EV tips. No spare tire? Many EVs don't come with one. Instead, you'll find a tire repair kit. Check before you head out on a long trip. Run flat tires. Some EVs use these, so you can still drive a short distance after a puncture. Call roadside assistance. If you're unsure, the safest move is to call a pro. Safety comes first. Wrapping up. So, changing a tire on an electric car is almost the same as a gas car. But you need to be extra careful about the battery, and remember you might only have a repair kit. Do you change your own tires, or do you prefer to call roadside assistance? Share your answer in the comments below.